y'all know, we have a bunch of chaotic home projects going on right now. We have a living room makeover going on. We painted the chest in the kitchen last week, and we still have to find a piece of artwork to go above that. And then I also am on the hunt for 2 lamps for our bedroom because I got rid of our glam ones. I'm looking for a little bit of a different vibe in there this year, which I'm really excited to share with y'all. That piece of artwork that I had over the chest last week, I found the perfect spot for it, and that'll be in one of my fall decorating videos coming very soon. I'm so excited to decorate for fall. And today Will is home, so I'm having him take care of the kids while I go browse some fall decor. We tried to do that last week with the kids and it just didn't quite work out. So I'm gonna browse uninterrupted today, and I'm so excited. We're gonna head to Little Rock. I've got my Alani Dream Float, and we are going to see what we can find. I'm gonna go to Home Goods, maybe At Home, maybe Hobby Lobby. Wait, no, not Hobby Lobby, today's Sunday. But we're gonna go browse and see what we can find for fall decor, and then I wouldn't be mad if I found a piece of artwork for above the chest, and then also lamps for my bedroom. So we're about to go do that here in just a second. My house is pure chaos, like I said, so I really just want to escape today. And then tomorrow is Monday, we'll regroup and then start back in on the living room makeover and hopefully have that done pretty soon. But before we go, I'm starving. I haven't eaten lunch yet, and my Factor box just arrived, so I'm super excited. I'm a huge fan of Factor. All of their meals are dietitian approved, and I feel like this is the perfect time of year to get a subscription for Factor. Everybody's going back to school. We've all been eating out all summer long, whether we're on the road to a vacation or just at the splash pad or the pool. We grab something on the way, and it's time to get back into a routine, and Factor's perfect for that. All of their meals are full of lean proteins, healthy fats, whole grains, and each meal has either 2 fruits or 2 vegetables, so it's perfect for back to school time. The best part about Factor meals is they're ready in 2 minutes, and there's no prep, no cleanup. This week's meals are fajita spiced shrimp and filet mignon, red wine braised short rib, pepper jack smothered bison pork sausage. We've got kebab spiced chicken ball. We've got potato, bacon, and egg breakfast skillet. And then we have shredded chicken taco bowl. So excited about these. Will and I both love Factor meals. Every single meal we've ever had has been a 10 out of 10. Even if the ingredients in the recipe is not something that we would typically buy at the grocery store, we always love our Factor meals. I don't think I've ever eaten one that I didn't like. Okay, for lunch today, I'm gonna make the fajita spiced shrimp and filet mignon. Very excited about this one. I'm also gonna say this, if you have a kid that's in college and they're going away either for the first time or it's their 4th year, this is the perfect thing you can gift them. Get them a Factor subscription, have their meals shipped right to their dorm room or their apartment, and they will thank you for it later. I remember in college having to either eat McDonald's or some sort of microwavable ramen, and this would be such a gift for a college student. Factor has a freshly updated menu every week, and 92% of people say Factor makes their life less stressful, which is perfect for this time of year. Okay, this looks incredible. Fajita spiced shrimp and filet mignon. So good. If you're not a vegetable lover, let Factor change your mind. Their vegetables are so good. These are only a tiny fraction of the meals they offer, and they're all so delicious. Head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code LaurenYFB50 to get 50% off your first Factor box, plus free breakfast for 1 year. That's code LaurenYFB50 at factor75.com. LaurenYFB50 at factor75.com. New subscribers only. This varies by plan. 1 free breakfast item per box for a year while subscription is active. Thank you so much again to Factor for sponsoring today's video. Okay, I just got home from shopping. I had so much fun. I did not get any footage in store, so I'm so sorry, but we went to Marshall's and Home Goods, and they were so busy. It's the weekend. Everybody was out and about, and I didn't want to whip my camera out, so I did not get any footage in store, but I'm going to share so many pieces of cute home decor for fall, and also a couple other things here and there. I found some cute clothes for Annie Kate at Marshall's. If you have a Marshall's where you are and you still haven't done back to school shopping, go to Marshall's because they have great deals and so many cute things. So I'm going to start with that. Look at this cute little jacket that I got for Annie Kate. It's a little quilted pink and cream gingham jacket with a little ruffle collar. I love this. She's going to be able to wear this all fall and winter long. It fits her perfect. We've already tried it on. And then I also got her these cute little shimmery cream heart shoes, and then I also just found this cute little purple set. It's a purple sweatshirt with little cream pants and little ruffles on the edge. It says I got it from my mama, so I couldn't pass that up. Both of these things were from Marshall's. The jacket was $25 and this little set was $14.99, and then the shoes were, I think they were $20. Okay, now on to home decor. I found so many cute things for fall, y'all, so if you don't already have your coffee or something, pause, go get it, and come back because we are here for a minute. The first thing I'm going to share with y'all, I found this at Home Goods. Is this not the cutest thing you have ever seen? says support your local trick-or-treaters. It's a gingham orange pillow. And I think I'm going to put this on the bench next to our front door. We redid the chest last week and put it in the kitchen, so I moved the bench back in the living room. And I think it's going to stay there for a while. We're going to put our wall molding up and put a mirror above it again and kind of see what we can work with. A lot of y'all suggested putting a shoe rack there, like one of those shoe cabinets where you open it up and put the shoes in. We actually need one of those, so I'm still looking for one, but I still like my bench in there, so we're going to work with it for now and just see what happens. But I thought this pillow was so cute. Home Goods for $19.99. Okay, I'm calling this the very plaid fall haul. I found so many cute plaid pieces. So plaid is the theme this year, I guess, but this brown shower curtain caught my eye. So soft. I'm going to put this in the guest bathroom. Fall is like our main hosting season because both of my kids' birthdays are in fall. So we're going to put this in the guest bathroom, and I also picked up a really cute soap that I'm going to share with y'all in a minute. It's like a dark brown floral pattern. So I'm excited to decorate the guest bathroom, but how cute is that? It was $19.99 at Marshall's. Okay, we've gone to look at fall decor several times with my kids. This time it was without, but every time we go, they want this bear, so I picked it up. This is actually the Wesley Manor brand, and she's so cute, but the one that is by Martha Stewart is actually a little bit cuter and fluffier. That one was $25. This one was $12.99, so I went with this one because they're going to like this one just as much. And I figured I can either stick this on Oliver's bed in his room, he loves this thing, or we can just set it out on the couch and everybody can enjoy it, but so cute. Okay, I know I said I wasn't going to buy more pumpkins this year, but I could not pass some of these up, so there are a few pumpkins in this haul. But how cute is this little floral pattern pumpkin for Annie Kate's room? I'm trying to add some grandma vibes in here. We've got her new floral lamp over there. I'm going to add lots of gold and baskets. In fact, I found a really pretty gold like tray for that wall over there where her shelves are, and I want to take down the wooden shelves because they're not very girly, and then add a gold one up there and put her like a little jewelry box on it and her little, not perfumes, but they have like those little glitter things that you can rub on your arms and stuff. Put all her little girly stuff up there, so I'm excited about that, and I just thought this pumpkin was perfect for her room, and she loves it. She's been carrying it around. I found these really pretty hand towels at Marshall's. They were $12.99 for 3. It's like a dark gray floral pattern with pumpkins, and there's fringe on the end. I found some really pretty hand towels at Hobby Lobby last week. Y'all saw that in my last video. And I don't know which I'm going to use on my oven yet, but we'll use both somewhere in the house. And then the one that's in the middle is like a striped towel, so all of them are so cute. Loved that. Okay, more plaid. I loved this brown plaid pillow. It's like a flannel feeling, and it's very soft. I figured I could use this on our bed or in the living room. Our new couch is light colored. That's coming soon, I promise. And I think this will really help break up a lot of the light colors in our living room. And so I'm very excited to use this for fall in there, but it would also look really pretty in our room for fall. So we'll see where we put it, but I got 2 of these. These are Home Goods. I haven't been telling y'all prices, sorry, but this was 20 bucks. So 2 of them are $40. That is an incredible price for a pillow like this. So I love these pillows. Here's the second one. I got this with the intention to put it in Oliver's room. It's a little pie banner. I thought it was so cute. It's by Martha Stewart. I love all her stuff. It was $14.99. I might use this in our breakfast nook area where the kids eat because I like to decorate it for the season. Or I might use it in Oliver's room, so we'll just see what we do with it. But it was so, so cute, so I couldn't pass it up. Saw this big terracotta pumpkin and figured it would make a really pretty statement either in our kitchen or living room. And it was $29.99. It doesn't have a jack-o'-lantern on it, so I like that. I can use it all season long. I found these really pretty florals at Home Goods, and they were $14.99. So I may see if Hobby Lobby has these in a cheaper, at a cheaper price. But I thought they were really pretty. It's different shades of like brown and orange. And I found so many cute vases at Home Goods. First, I saw that this one was $8. And I thought that was an incredible deal for a really unique vase like this. It's like ribbed and it looks like a crazy 8, but it's like misshaped. So I love this vase. And then I also picked up this really cute little terracotta jack-o'-lantern. It lights up. So when Halloween rolls around, we'll put this out. But I thought it was the perfect size to just pop anywhere. $16.99. Y'all know I cannot pass up a glam pumpkin. I love that this one's dark brown, so it's going to go with all of our dark brown plaid. I could put this anywhere, my bedroom, the living room, somewhere up high where Annie Kate can't get to it, but I thought it was gorgeous. It's got a gold stem. Okay, y'all let me know your thoughts on this. I got this rug because it's dark brown and cream, and I thought it would look so pretty in our kitchen. And I think it's like 2x6. Yeah, it's probably like 2x6. And so I like to do 2x6 or 2x7 in my kitchen. Very soft. I do need a runner or like a thing for underneath it so it doesn't slip and slide. But I thought this was so pretty. So I'm going to show y'all this one, and then I'm going to pop a picture of the one that's in my Amazon cart on the screen, and y'all tell me which one would look better in our kitchen. The one in my Amazon cart is dark brown, so I didn't know if it would be too much dark in a light area. And this one is also dark brown, but it doesn't really look dark brown on camera. It's kind of like a caramel like chocolate brown. I don't know. It's like in between caramel and chocolate, but I thought it was so pretty. I got it from Home Goods. It was 30 bucks, so that's a really good deal on a rug. We had 2 tragedies when I was getting all of this out of the car, and I'm really sad. I think I can actually glue this one because it's like a perfect break. How cute is this little teddy bear wearing a pumpkin costume? I saw several of these and I've been wanting a bear like this, but they all had a witch hat, and I don't do witches in my house, so I thought this was so cute. I may try to glue it, or I may go back and grab another one. I think it wasn't too much. It was like 12 bucks, so very cute. I found that at Home Goods. They have a ton of these bears if you're looking for one. The other tragedy was this pumpkin, and I love this pumpkin so much, so I'm gonna have to go back and get another one. It's got a really pretty floral pattern, and it's also that dark brown color, so I thought that was really pretty. And I think that was also 12 bucks. And last but not least, this is the floral soap I was telling y'all about that I'm going to stick in my guest bathroom. Such a pretty dark brown color with a floral pattern, and it is the Vetiver Woods scent, so I think that'll be really nice for fall. That is all for our fall haul. I hope y'all enjoyed all of our fun finds from Marshalls and Home Goods. If I said At Home, I'm sorry, I did not go to At Home. It's Marshalls and Home Goods. I get those mixed up. But now let's go make some cookies. I love snickerdoodles in the fall, so I want to make some snickerdoodles while the kids are sleeping, and then when they wake up they'll be excited. I may also decorate the guest bathroom and get that out of the way. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Let's go make some cookies. Okay, I just got my kids to sleep. I'm going to make some snickerdoodles so I can surprise them with cookies in the morning. This is the best snickerdoodle recipe. I'll link it down in the description box below. However, it does call for cream of tartar, and I don't have any, but the internet said that I can replace cream of tartar with vinegar, so we're going to attempt to see if that works. I'll let you know. By the way, I told y'all I was looking for a piece of artwork above our chest. I cannot find one for the life of me. I think I'm going to have more luck at a thrift store, so we're going to look for that another day. And then also lamps for our bedroom. I found 2 at Home Goods that will work, but they're not like super great. They're just glass with gold accents, so I'm going to be on the hunt for those still. But anyways, let's make some cookies. I'm to the point in life where when I'm baking, I just get a cup, a tablespoon, and a teaspoon, and we measure with a heart. Okay, you need 2 3/4 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons cream of tartar, but we're using vinegar, so you have to use double the amount. Actually, I'm just going to do 3 because I don't want the vinegar to be weird. 1 teaspoon baking soda, ½ teaspoon salt, and then we're going to set that part aside. In this bowl, you need a cup of real butter, softened. One and a half cups of sugar, 2 eggs, teaspoon of vanilla. So creamy. Combine this in with the flour. I know I do this backwards. And in this little bowl, you just do sugar and cinnamon. My hands are washed. You just take a little bit, roll it up into a ball, and then roll it in the sugar, cinnamon, and it's ready to bake. Bake them at 350 for about 8 minutes. Recipe makes them perfectly crispy, but they're also chewy. It's the perfect combination. Will and I have been watching that Netflix show called I Will Find You. We got addicted to it and watched it like several nights in a row and finished the whole thing. These would have been perfect for that. If you have any good Netflix shows or any shows really that you've been watching and you recommend, let me know because we're looking for a new one. I'm about to eat this and then I'm gonna go decorate the bathroom for fall. Oliver's gonna be so excited in the morning. Y'all, it's getting so cozy in here. I love this little pumpkin picture from last year, but it's got a little nick in it, so I'm gonna use my kids' watercolors and see if I can fix it. They'll never know I was here. Ooh. Should we add some other places so that hopefully that dries good. The only thing I wish I had was a really pretty fall rug for in here, so I'm going to be on the hunt for that. And then I think this towel is it's not matching, so I need a brown towel, maybe like a monogrammed towel. I ordered monogrammed towels one time and they sent me the wrong monogram, so we need to try again. And then over here, I think a different towel needs to go here. We've had these for several years and they're kind of getting dingy looking. Overall, I love it. It is so cozy. I am going to be on the hunt for a rug. And then I think I'm actually going to go get that gold rack that I said I was going to put in Annie Kate's room. And I'm going to get it for this space and then find something different for her. But everything looks so cute.